For all Muslims, the celebration of Eid al-Fitr needs some special delicacy. A Hui table of fare will more than satisfy the choosiest gourmet.
现在我把那个粉块泡好。
妈，这是什么粉？
这是豌豆粉。
豌豆粉要做那个咱们用的粉块，是不是要好一点？
啊，要精一点。
精一点。
别的粉都不太熟。
哦，那这个是泡，拿水泡。
嗯，要把它泡。
The bell tolls at 6. The men of the family set off for the mosque for Eid prayer. The women's work in the food-packed kitchen now officially begins.
咱们现在把粉弄完，然后
把鸡煮熟，把肉煮熟，把那个菜
准备了，是吧？
做粉汤菜全部要盛出来。
妈，咱们就这样弄这个粉。
Over the past 30 days of fasting, Hui Muslim families look forward to Eid al-Fitr, to gathering all the members together. The cooking skills are fully employed for a common but hearty feast. Today is the 55th Eid al-Fitr for Tian Hongyan. As for the hostess, with many grandchildren, a busy festival has become an inevitable part of her life.
拌凉菜是小葱，炒菜是大葱。来，先坐。高兴，很高兴。
Tian Hongyan is a good cook. For the feast today, she'll do her best to make nice food. In her memory, a woman's cooking skill seems to possess a magic charm.
他爱吃我做他的饭，你要想抓住男人，你就要把他的胃就要抓住。你给他做好饭，他吃上外面的饭他吃不习惯，让他出去吃饭他也不吃。
Shi Chen Chen, her daughter-in-law, has begun learning to cook from Tian. With Tian's guidance, Shi Chen Chen works very seriously.
烹就行，
小火慢炖，又要炖啊，
就让它炖，炖了它啥时候你拿筷子这样插一下，能插进去就好了。
那就咱们什么都不放
现在不啥都不放，吃的时候就是
撒一点点盐，
放咸盐，
啪子
咸盐。
Hand-grab lamb is a must for Eid al-Fitr. The key is freshness as eaters tear flesh off the bone. One day ahead of the festival every year, Tian Chun Shi, her husband, will search for the freshest meat, even for a whole day. Unlike in the hinterland, because of a profusion of produce, lamb for cooking by every household will be butchered as late as possible. As his wife is strict with food ingredients, Tian Chun Shi must select ones with rich texture and a very fresh taste.
做粉汤菜全部要炒出来。
妈，咱们就这样弄这个粉，就里边不放啥？
不放，等上一会儿那个水要开的以后，里面要放咸盐。
妈，咱们上外边去打粉吧。
不行，要这个水要旋开，要往里面一点点这样倒，一个人要搅，一个人要倒。那个火不能火小了都不行。
If the hand-grabbed lamb is vital at Eid al-Fitr, in the eyes of the Hui, fried dough cakes and jelly soup are also incomparable to any other delicacies. Flour and egg, poured with hot oil directly, assure quick fusion of pure and fresh taste. fried dough cakes Tian made taste crispy and have a golden color. The pea jelly made of pea flour with cabbage, lamb, potato, tomato, and spinach will be boiled in mutton broth to become delicious soup. The jelly soup absorbs the meaty lamb, arousing the mellowness of the greens and chewiness of the jelly. Deep-fried dough cakes and jelly soup, main courses of the feast, represent the Hui character, simplicity, and inclusiveness. Apparently, with the daughter-in-law's help, the feast is quickly prepared. It's only minutes to 11 o'clock. The kitchen is infused in a thick aroma. Lamb stewed in soup, the pepper chicken boiled, fried dough cakes straight from the pot, and sour and salty jelly soup. Tian Hongyan, though busy, breaks into a pleased smile. What makes her happy is that her daughter-in-law loves her cooking job too. At noon, men in the family return. All of the children arrive, ready to offer greetings. This creates a bustling atmosphere. Family feast assumes a thorough aura of happiness. As for Tian Hongyan, the family feast for Eid al-Fitr is her happiest time in a year. Although she's worked hard all morning, every dish is carefully prepared. Tian Hongyan is clear that in the celebration, what to eat is not an important thing. Family reunion provides the festival's true flavor.